guys, what's going on? KisshaJ here. Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. I am super excited to be coming to you today with this video because I'm going to be unboxing my Ryobi miter saw. I am so happy and elated that I was able to receive this. It was a generous gift from my wife, and I'm super excited that she got this for me. So I decided that I would open it up so you guys can see what was in it with me. Okay, so let's get it started. All right, here we go. I've been having it for a few weeks, and I've been needing to open the box just so we can get this box out of here because we're staying in an apartment. And yeah, so as you can imagine, this thing been sitting in our living room for a few weeks now. Okay, so we have the manual here with the instructions, and these are the extenders. You put this, I'll show you guys. I'm not gonna put it together, but I'll just show you where it goes once I get the saw out completely. This is the clamp. This is what clamps the wood down. Helps it keep it in place when you're sawing it. And this is just the dust collector. And drum roll, please. Wait, I can't get it. Ooh. Okay, see why I can't get it. Do it, put your back into it. Oh no, I can't do it. Okay, here we go. Here it goes. Ooh. Now let me get the box out of here. Okay. So now that we have it out the box, this is how it looks. Okay. This is a 10-inch sliding miter saw. Okay. So pretty, so nice. Ryobi makes, I mean, when you go shopping for a saw, you're not supposed to go shopping for how pretty it is. But, however, I am still a female. And Ryobi's products, I love their products because they're easy to use. Their products are really easy to use for beginners. And their products are really good products. So, as I'm learning how to use like miter saws, table saws, jig saws, this is the product that I want to this brand is the brand that I would love to go with. I mean, of course I have other brands, because you know when you're starting out, you get what you can afford. But I actually, this is my favorite brand of product. I love it. Okay, so let's pop this baby in the front. And it lifts up just like that. And the saw is already embedded in here. You don't have to put this together. It already comes put together. All you have to do is plug it in and get started. I don't know how to remove this. I guess I just gotta rip it. Yeah, there we go. And there we have it, guys. So the reason why they call it a sliding miter saw is because it slides like this, back and forth like that. See this? Slides back and forth just like this. So that's why they call it a sliding miter saw. Regular miter saws don't slide. So yeah, that's the unboxing. In a later video, I'll show you guys how to use it, what I'll be using, of course you'll know what I'll be using it for to build small projects. So stay tuned. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.